Recipe for friendship. Let's explore the ingredients needed to create and nurture. Ingredients: kindness, empathy, listening, sharing, trust, acceptance, laughter, forgiveness, support, loyalty. Method: take a generous amount of kindness and sprinkle it into you. Mix empathy with a dash of understanding to create a strong. Stir in active listening to make your friends feel valued. Share your toys, ideas, and experiences generously. Maki. Build a foundation of trust by being honest, reliable, and embrace and celebrate each other's differences. Create an. Add laughter and joy to your friendship by sharing funny mo. Learn the art of forgiveness, understanding that everyone. Offer support and encouragement to lift each other up. Duri. Finally, seal your friendship with loyalty, being a true F. Enjoy the journey and cherish the wonderful friendships. Why? Who is your best friend and why?